Stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
No fuck going on YouTube, man. We back with another one. As you can tell, I got both my hands, so y'all already know what's going on. Head mount. Let's go ahead and get to this rainy day. As you can see, POV. Oh my god, I'm finna be slipping and sliding all over the place. Ooh, should I turn the traction off? Ooh, should I turn the traction off? Uh-oh, traction all the way off. Oh, shit. Well, damn, motherfucker. Don't mind none of this shit. The seatbelt gon' ding. Ooh, look at that scat. The seatbelt gon' ding, and y'all already know I got an engine light on, and I got a gear shifter, and I got a low tire, but it's not even that low. So don't mind none of this shit. I got new mics too. Why am I even talking? I ain't gonna do no talking, bro. I'm just gonna let the engine do the talking. Hopefully this ain't gonna be that long, cause I'm only going home. What gas on the bro? Police be hiding everywhere, bro. I already know if I gas, I'm automatically gonna spin out, cause and y'all stay tuned, bro. I know I say I ain't gonna do no talking, but the POB's finna get spicy soon, cause all this shit's gonna look different real soon. Police right there. Ain't that crazy? I was finna break loose right here. I get y'all a little hard, something hard, cause this bitch finna. I already know this bitch gonna spin now. Oh shit! Oh shit! Probably gonna get tired of the dinging, but the seat is not wired to my harness, my body style harness, because these new seats. So fun driving this hoe in the rain. Downshift. This bitch. Yeah, I parked here enough. I'm gonna go ahead and roll down and crack the window a little bit. I know it's raining. Sound too good. Junk sound too good. Junk sound too good. This K Popo try to say something. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Oh shit. Golly. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to quit bullshitting. This whole too crazy, too fun.